pain. What did you try to say? My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
Let's look at all our words together. We have snail, tail, hail, nail and train. Have a go. Say them with me. Are you ready? Snail, tail, hail, nail and train. Now we're going to play a game using these words. Choose the missing word. A fish has a. A fish has a. Let's check. A fish has a tail. Choose the missing word. The blank is fast. The blank is fast. Let's check. The train is fast. Here we go. The blank has a shell. The blank has a shell. That's right. The snail has a shell. Good job. For the next game, I'm going to say the word and you need to find it. Get ready. Find nail. Nail. Find tail. Tail. Find train. Train. And last time, find hail. Hail. Before we finish, let's review this week's tricky words. Think, how many can you read? How many can you write? I, no, to, into, go, the. Let's say them again, but a little faster. I, no, to, into, go, the. Okay, this time I've changed the order of the words. Get ready to say them. From the top. No, into, to, the, go, I. These words are really important, so keep practicing every day and I will help you in these videos. Goodbye.